Today I'm going to walk you through how to use ClickUp dependencies to organize your workflow and ensure that tasks are completed in the right order. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set up task dependencies, which can help you and your team avoid bottlenecks and confusion, making your projects run smoother than ever. Let's dive right in. First, make sure you're logged into your ClickUp workspace. This is where all your projects and tasks live. You'll want to head over to the workspace where your project is located. If you have multiple workspaces, just make sure you're in the one with the project you want to work on today. Once you're inside your workspace, go ahead and select your project. This brings you to the list or board with all your tasks. In our example, we have 3 tasks. Let's call them Task 1, Task 2, and Task 3. Think of these as steps in a process, maybe like prepping ingredients, cooking, and then serving a meal. The order matters, and you certainly wouldn't want to try serving before cooking. Our goal here is to use ClickUp's Dependencies feature to make sure Task 2 can't be started until Task 1 is finished, and that Task 3 depends on Task 2. This way, you keep everything moving in the right sequence and everyone knows exactly what has to happen next. Let's start by setting up the dependency for Task 2. Click on Task 2 to open its details. You'll notice a set of 3 dots. These are the more options for that task. Go ahead and click the 3 dots. From the drop-down menu, select Dependencies. This is where the magic happens, letting you link tasks together in a way that makes sense for your process. You'll see 2 sections, blocking and blocked by. For Task 2, you want to make sure it's blocked by Task 1, meaning Task 2 can't really kick off until Task 1 is finished. So under blocked by, start typing and selecting Task 1. Once you add Task 1, ClickUp will show a visual indicator, usually a little icon or link, so you and your teammates know that Task 1 must be completed before Task 2 starts. This not only keeps everyone on the same page, but also helps prevent the situation where someone accidentally jumps ahead. Next, we'll repeat a similar process for Task 3. This time, click to open Task 3, then hit those 3 dots for more options and select Dependencies again. Under Blocked By, you want Task 3 to be blocked by Task 2. Select Task 2 from the list, and now you've created a sequence. Task 1 leads to Task 2, and Task 2 leads to Task 3. That's really it. A few quick clicks and you've set up dependencies so your project flows in a logical order. If you're ever working with larger projects or more complex workflows, this is a lifesaver for tracking what needs to happen next and who's waiting on whom. Don't worry if this feels new, it gets easier the more you use it. Before you head off and set up your own dependencies, remember that transparency is key in team collaborations. Setting these links in ClickUp makes it visible to everyone what stage the project is at, helping avoid backtracking or confusion. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to leave a like. If you have any questions or want advice on using other ClickUp features, drop a comment below. I'm happy to help. And if you want even more step-by-step guides, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.